In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new folder in Canva. To do that, go ahead and click projects on the left side and you will find a plus on the upper right. Click on the plus here and click a new folder. You can call this folder whatever you want. So I'm going to just leave it within a new folder and click and continue. And that's it. It's going to create a brand new folder for me under the folder section here. And that's it. Once you open up this folder, you can add whatever you want. You can add your designs. You can even go ahead and create a new design from within. So if I click in create design, I can now choose if I want to make it, do images, if I want to create some presentation, videos, work on a document, spreadsheet, whatever it is that you want, you can go ahead and start it within this new folder, right? So I'm going to just do, for example, mobile video, for example, and start. And whatever I do within this project, it's going to start to add these within it. So I'm going to just, for example, drag this right here. And yeah, let's say that's the project. I'm going to just rename this and call this mobile, for example. And that's it. Let's say that's it. If I click three lines on the upper left and go home, I'm going to go ahead, for example, and click on projects. And if I go down to the folder here that I created, you can see that there's one item in it. If I open it, you can see that the project that I create with mobile, it's there inside and I can just go ahead and click on it and open it and work again on that project. And that's it.